finish up our house by adding the roof. Let's add the roof to our house. So click where it's written shades of gray, go to hidden, then let's go to layers, then select the 3D roof, right? Then select polyline. Let's trace the top of the roof. Okay, let's change from hidden to 2D wire, then offset, then let's offset at a distance of 500. Let's enter, then escape, go on custom view, then let's go to the back. Okay, select that line, then copy at a distance of 500, press enter again. Now we are going to be making a fisher board. Select that line, delete, select polyline, there to there at 100, enter, going on top, then on the auto mode, going up 100, going that side 100, press on, enter for the previous command. There through, coming down 100, enter, going this side 100, enter, coming down 100, enter like that. So let's go and make an arc. So go there on top, then we want to select start end direction. So there, click there down and there. So and go on top like that. Then yeah, we have made our arc. Zoom in, click this up to there, press the J for join command, enter. Okay, these are not joined. Let's select that, delete, select polyline again, enter, 100, so on this side 100, on top 100, enter, escape, select, join. And select that, and offset at a distance of 100, this one, and then go on polyline, zoom in, that there, enter for the previous command, that to there, and select this, press J for join, and after joining this, then go to surfaces, surface, then sweep, select this object, enter, select that one on top, like that. So after that, you can change your 2D wireframe there to realistic. Change from back, southeast isometric there as well. Okay, like that. Now let's add our roof. Go on home. Okay, right. Then click this. After that, go on isolate, then hide object. After I've hidden your object, on face, okay, now faces, then click there, then go on exclude, then type P, press on enter for the tipping angle. Then we want it to be at set the tipping angle as 45, enter at a distance of 1000, press on enter. Okay, now go on extrude faces, click there, enter, going up, enter at a tipping angle 45, like that, enter. Now you have made your roof. So select your roof, click there, isolate object, then go on orbit. So as you can see down there, we have to make a hole there down. So click there, go on shell. So you have to make a shell there. Okay, select shell, then go on faces, click there again, then select the distance of 100 millimeters, enter a distance of 100, enter, like that, enter again. As you can see, we have made our shell there done. So this is now a complete roof. So there an orbit, you can see that's a roof. Go there on, there down, then end object isolation, like that. I think we can add some materials to the roof. So we go on views, then material browser, select there, then take it there top. Okay, go on material browser, then Autodesk library, and on Autodesk library, go in roof, then I think I'll go with this one. Okay, take it there on top, click on this arrow to take it on top, then select, select, orbit, select, take it on top like that. Let's select this one, then and take it again on top. As you can see, you have made your roof there on top of the house, and we are done. Let's go there, southeast isometric view, then click on orbit. So guys, this is how you make your roof. Don't forget to like, subscribe,